Reminder lang, kahit wala kang paparating na DJ gig, you should still spend your time managing your DJ library. Whether you're using your DJ app to manage your library or like me, you use an app like iTunes, you should spend time adding, removing songs, and also managing your playlists, editing them to make sure they're up to date and removing the ones that you don't use anymore. I know it doesn't sound like work, pero magpe-pay off yan pagdating mo sa DJ gig kasi hindi ka mahirapan maghanap ng mga kanta ng mabilis, especially if you are relying on just a handful of playlists to power through a DJ set. At the same time, if kung magamit ka ng flash drives, having your DJ library updated and well-maintained means na yung mga kanta mo, pati yung mga playlist mo, they're ready to go at a moment's notice. Sabihin natin, magka-gig ka that same day, hindi ka matataranta and you won't have a problem kasi yun nga, updated yung library mo. Ilipat mo lang yung mga kanta, pati playlist doon sa flash drive and you're good to go.